They told me to move the mic stand so I don't trip over it. Holy fuck, I can't believe I have to follow that guy. It's my first time.
Aww.
Please don't heckle me or I will flash back to the last time I had sex. I'm really not kidding. It's my first time. And this really is remarkably like when I lost my virginity. I'm scared to death. I'm drunk. And there's a huge question as to whether or not I will fuck. My heart is going a mile a minute, you guys. You have no idea. And there are so many of you guys here. Which, come to think of it, is kind of like when I lost my virginity. It was also my film debut. It is available at Amazon for $29.95 on DVD. Supplies are limited. Really? Jesus Christ. Shit. It's on beta for $1.50. I have notes here and I may use them. It's kind of like when I do tarot card readings. They don't like it when you do that, but fuck them. So, yeah, oh, I'm through that page already. Look at that. This is going to be short, y'all. Oh my God, just like when I lost my virginity. It'll be over soon, it'll be over soon, it'll be over soon. You can't stop now, baby. You got to finish. Holy shit. So, anyway, the point is now that I have made you all think of me having sex. And I know this is a huge no-no because overweight, middle-aged white women in this country are not supposed to be sexy. Like, that's just a no-no. That theory is so incredibly and ironically fucked. Because let me explain something to you. When you are an overweight woman, your testosterone levels are higher.
Yeah.
Well, your testosterone controls your sex drive. So while you're all sitting around saying, no, I wouldn't fuck her, I just need to be fucked. It is one of the tragedies of the universe. I shit you not. And that is not the only irony concerning being overweight. For the love of God, the other day on the internet, I saw an article that said that women who are overweight and accept themselves, truly find a level of acceptance for themselves, will, in fact, lose weight. I kind of consider this a catch-22. Because all of a sudden, oh my God, I'm so happy with myself. I've meditated, I've been in therapy, I've done all the right things. Yay, oh my God, look at me, I'm fabulous. I've got these great tits, and what the fuck, where's it going? What the fuck just happened? Although, is that what happened to all those skinny bitches who run around going, oh my God, I can't quit losing weight? Shit. Well, fuck them. I have no time for them. You know, unless they have a positive body image, fine. You know what? Because one of the things that I have learned since I turned 40, 40, thank you, is that, man, there is a narrow perception of beauty in this country. It is so narrow, and sexuality and enjoying sex. Let me tell you how much I enjoy sex. I enjoy sex so much that masturbating last week, I pinched a nerve in my neck. Yeah, it's true. Y'all took me to the goddamn chiropractor. It was a new chiropractor, and fuck sakes, he was hot.
Yeah!
Which really hurt my feelings when he looked at me and said, so how did this happen? Funny story. I was praying. Things went wrong from there. So anyway, I have learned that, you know, as you turn 40, you begin to embrace life like I never have before. Like, I got tired of just feeling bad about myself and feeling bad about how I look. Sweetie, sneeze away. I sneeze every time I get horny, like 20 times a day. But I really have come to embrace being 40 and loving myself and sucking the marrow out of life. Oh my God, yes. And by the way, sucking the marrow out of life, gentlemen, is a transferable skill set. I don't understand why men have a problem with fat women. Do you not get this? While you're chasing around the skinny bitch with zero libido, the fat women are are walking around going, oh, for the love of God, help me out, Jesus Christ. No, they won't have it. But I will say this. Doesn't mean we don't have standards. We do have standards. So I will say that while all the skinny women are running around saying, oh, I can't help this life, I'm negatively obsessing about my body, things are terrible, I've got a crack in my neck from holding the phone like this, and my pumps are killing me, and all this crazy shit, let me tell you something. I'm going to go out living, laughing, loving,